Michelle Obama recently recalled a darkly humorous exchange with her husband, Barack, following the death of her mother, Marion Robinson. During an episode of their emo podcast, Michelle and her brother, Craig Robinson, discussed their mother's passing at the age of 86 on May 31, 2024. Michelle shared that shortly after their mother's death, Barack quipped, "Well, you're next up," to which she replied, "I'm not really ready to be next up." In a lighthearted retort, Michelle countered, "You're next up and Craig is next up. I delegate that power to you." As they approached the one-year mark of their mother's death, the siblings reflected on the profound impact it had on their lives. Michelle remarked, "That's really when you become an adult. It's when your parents are not in that spot of managing and maintaining." She acknowledged the daunting responsibility they now carry after losing both parents, including their father, Fraser C. Robinson III, who died in 1991. "It's a major shift in your life. Even when I was taking care of Mom, I still gotta listen to her," she noted. In the podcast, Michelle also revealed she is currently in therapy, describing it as part of her transition into a new phase of life post-family obligations. At 60, she expressed a newfound freedom in making choices solely for herself. "For the first time, every choice I'm making is completely mine," she said, emphasizing the importance of seeking help during this transition. Michelle has previously been open about her mental health struggles following her time in the White House. The 61-year-old explained how therapy has empowered her to assert boundaries, which inadvertently fueled rumors regarding her marriage when she declined to attend several events with Barack. "It took everything in my power to do the things that were for me," she stated, defending her decisions amidst public scrutiny.